An example of a kiss ass and not meaning what they say is Villager Boy. Some fucking retarded kid that comes in my friend's stream, starts kissing ass, hoping he's able to enter this contest of ours to try to get a freebie from us. Well, it's not going to work. Because the next day, I see this motherfucker making autistic vines about me.
I was younger, I would say, when I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be in movies.
Because he has a Spurgish attitude towards me. What a fucking retard. Who does he think I am? Some fucking idiot's gonna fall for his shit? I'm a fucking expert at this shit. Look at him, fooled by me. Fucking retard.